What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a full installation guide and showcasing our brand new whole aero kit for the GR Corolla. This is for the 23 to 24 non-facelift bumpers, but for those who have the facelift, we have the lip available as well. So we'll be doing the front lip side skirts, the rear spats, and then the rear bumper garnish. So aside from the front lip, everything will work on a facelift as well. So if you have a 24 plus, 25, 26, you can run all these parts as well as a 23 and 24. For those with a 25 plus, you can run a different lip, which is also on the website below. I will link everything in the parts in the bar below, but we have a completely stock GR Corolla here. And then let's transform this thing and I'm gonna show you guys how to put everything on. For the lip, we already did a video already, so if you're interested in watching the lip installation, you can just click here. There's a link right here to the front lip of the non-facelift bumper. This is our hybrid poly material, so this is super brake resistant. Lots of flex, so if you hit something on the freeway or scraping mildly, you'll be good to go and it won't break. To the rear spats, it's pretty straightforward. You have the 3 clips using OEM and double side tip, which is pre-applied. So all I do is go into the bumper, remove your 3 clips, make sure you clean the bottom up, and then apply it on. The next step are these garnishes. How it works is you apply the 3M double-sided tape and then apply the adhesive promoter on the paint, and we'll do a quick test fit what it looks like. Gives it way more aggressive stance from the back, way wider hips. Of course, a black accent will go contrast well with the full aero kit.